Rebecca Beasley here and Rebecca Barron here from Cruise Planners Seas World Travel. We wanted to just talk briefly about our cabin. We had a 4M interior cabin aft on the boat, which is in the back of the boat, and we just wanted to tell you what we thought of it. I thought the cabin was spacious. It had a great deal of storage, and you can talk about the negatives.
Be the negative Nancy. No, the cabin was overall a good cabin. It's a small cabin, but honestly, for the size of the cabin, I think it has more storage than even some of the bigger cabins I've been in. So even though square footage wise it's small, this is a 8-night cruise, and we had plenty of places for all of our things to go without it being laid out in a mess everywhere.
Right.
So very good on storage.
The only thing about the cabin itself, let's exclude the bathroom from that, just the cabin, is they did not have a chair at this vanity. Yes. So they had this little storage box, a cushioned storage box that sat up under the counter, and we'd have to pull it out to sit on it, and then we'd have to push it back in to open our drawers. And it was really heavy and hard to move across the carpet, so it was weird.
Inconvenient.
It's like, why can't you just put a little chair? I don't get that. They could fit up under the vanity and not take up room. So that was my thought on the cabin. Now the bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom, I'll start with the positive. The shower is really nice. It's a pretty good size shower for a cruise ship, much larger than a lot of them. And one thing I really like is it has a true door for the shower, unlike some ships that have just a shower curtain where when you're showering the water just sprays all over the bathroom. This door, it all stays in the shower. You have plenty of room to move around, unlike a lot of cruise ship showers. The only bad thing about the bathroom itself is it is really tiny. I mean, other than the shower, you can't do much in the bathroom without bumping your elbows on the wall. There's just not a lot of room to do anything in the bathroom. If you want to
bend over to brush your teeth, your butt's going to hit the door possibly, so if you're tall like I am. So
it's the smallest cruise ship bathroom I've seen. And we do have a video that we've made of a tour of this cabin where you can go watch, and you'll see the size of the bathroom and the size of the cabin.
But other than that, I mean, I think it was, quite nice.
Yeah, it's been perfectly fun. I personally like balconies a little better, but for this cruise, this interior was fine too. Yeah,
we wanted to see what an interior was like. We normally do a balcony, but it was not bad. The only thing I think I said it in another video is I would get a midship cabin, save you from walking miles and miles, save you some walking every day.